Karnataka, in a shocking turn of events, a 23-year-old woman, daughter of a Congress corporator, was stabbed to death in Karnataka's Hubballi on 18th April. Accused Fayaz stabbed Neha, his acquaintance, inside the BVB college campus. Fayaz was later arrested by Hubballi police and sent into 14 days of police custody as well. Now, victim's father has alleged love jihad angle and said that the possibility cannot be ruled out, and also said that the accused is being shielded. BJP also alleged that love jihad is the real reason behind the incident and slammed Congress's government over the crumbling law and order situation in the state. BJP also accused Congress of engaging in appeasement politics over the matter. This comes after Karnataka government denied any love jihad angle and said that it was merely a case of love affair gone wrong.
ಈಗ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಬ್ಯಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಬೇರೆದವ್ರು ಅದಾರ. ಇದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಒಂದು 4 ಮಂದಿ ಅನೇಕ ಅವ್ರ ಸಹಚಕರು ಅದಾರ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅವ್ರ ಹೆಸರು ಬಂದಿದೆ ಮತ್ತು ಪೊಲೀಸರು ಅದರ ತನಿಖೆ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ. ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬಬ್ಲಿ ಪೊಲೀಸರು ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣವಾದ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ ರೀತಿಯೂ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಅನೇಕ ಕಡೆ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಇವರು ಕ್ರೂರತನ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ